Okay, this is how to remove and install the solenoid in this ATV, the Kodiak. First step, we're gonna cut this seat tie. I don't know if it's too visible, but it's gonna be like around there. It's that one right there. We have to cut it. And so what we have to do is we have to take out all this tape. And then we're gonna find these two connections. We have to make sure if we're gonna take him out, we have to put him back on the same position. This one came from the battery. The difference between these two is the plate, these two. Or anyways, if you take him out, you have to make sure you put like something to mark it, and make sure, like for example, this is gonna be the left in case these two cables, they are the same. Put a piece of tape, and you're gonna remember that from this side, like this. Boom. Now we know if our solenoid is with the cables on top. This is gonna be like the right side, and the other one is gonna be the left. It's easy peasy. You just have to take out those nuts, and that's gonna be all. This is a 10 millimeter. And then where's the okay, this is the connection. We're gonna have to cut the seat tie, and we can take it out. And that's it. This is how to install the solenoid on this Kodiak. I have it right here. This is the connector. I think it's pretty simple to do. You just have to connect it right here. The color is like, one wire is red with the yellow stripe, and the other one is yellow with the green one. So we just have to connect it like this, and this one goes on this side. This is the one which goes to the to the starter. So this one goes, if we have it like this one goes on the left. This is a 10 millimeter. And this is the one which comes from the battery. Like this, and we can cover this with some tape or a zip tie. I think I'm gonna use tape. I use black tape on this one, and now we are ready. I'm gonna take out this piece of tape. We just have to put this in the little bracket right there on the bottom. It's not too visible, but it's right there. You have to make a sit on these two little holes. And this is the one, I don't know if it's gonna be visible, but it's right there. Those two little plates where my fingers are. This is the number 1, and the other one is the number 2. So it's easy. And we're good.